welcome to News at Marian. Myself, Alina Thomas, with the latest news from Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous. First, let's have a quick glance at the headlines. Department of Communicative English conducts international webinar headed by Professor Stephen Krashen. Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous incorporates outcome-based education in their system. Social Work Department launches new PG Diploma program in Counseling and Psychotherapy. Dr. Shindu Dennis gets an international publication. Now, the news in detail. Department of Communicative English of Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous conducted an international webinar on language acquisition and learning headed by Professor Stephen Krashen on 16 January 2020. Professor Stephen Krashen had been researching in the field of linguistics for nearly 30 years. He has worked with eminent scholars like Noam Chomsky.
Department of Communicative English conducted an international webinar. We have Dr. Shindu Dennis, the HOD of the department, with us. What was the aim of the webinar?
Professor Stephen Krashen is one of the living legends in the field of linguistics. We wanted to give an opportunity to our students and also the whole world to listen to such an expert. There were participants from 18 countries all around the world, including Greece, Italy, Egypt, and so on.
Everything is open access. My articles are all available for free. They cost you nothing. I'm no longer writing books because nobody can afford them.
Abiding to the new Education Policy 2020, Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous introduced outcome-based education system from the beginning of the current academic year. First year MA Communication and Media Studies batch was given practical classes this week. Department of Social Work introduces new one-year PG Diploma program in Counseling and Psychotherapy on 12th January 2021 at Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous in association with Wadil Foundation. The inauguration was done by MG University Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Sabu Thomas. 29 students enrolled for the course in the first batch and the classes began on 13 January 2021.
The objective of Diploma in Counseling and Psychotherapy are many. First, this is to enhance the counseling skills of those who are already in counseling profession and those who are already working as social workers. To equip the budding counselors for counseling profession.
Dr. Shindu Dennis, Head of the Department of Communicative English of Marian College Kuttikkanam Autonomous, publishes a chapter in the book Pragmatism, Spirituality and Society, published by Palgrave Macmillan, a world-class publisher of books and journals. Dr. Shindu Dennis' chapter spoke about the topic Spirituality of Action, reading O.V. Vijayan's Khasakinde Idihasam and Gurusagaram through William James' concept of religion.
When you hear the term pragmatism, you would always think of practical, and practical is not something which generally goes with the idea of spirituality. And spiritual pragmatism is the idea that we put forth.
The news bulletin of the week ends here. It's me, Alina, signing off. Thank you.